So hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Android Studio in Manjaro. So now open your pages manager and here you will search Android Studio. In officially repo you don't have any pages, but we will use AUR page manager, and here you find many results like Android Studio stable version, beta version, canary version, dummy version, many more. But in this video I will install stable version, so it's your choice which one you like, but stable version is very stable. So click on build, apply, and here you go, and installing it start. Just after enter your sudo password. Now installing start. Android Studio is very large size, it's around 1 GB, so it will take some time. So now our Android Studio download and it will start installing. So it will do some stuff, and now it's completely installed. So close this package manager, and I use the D menu. You will use any other stuff and search Android Studio and press enter, and now you will choose any themes. I say no. Now it's open. First time it will ask some installation, so do as you follow. I will install totally in the latest version. It will take some time, not much. Using latest version, it's good option for starting. Now Kotlin is updated, and it will ask to restart. So restart your Android Studio, and now it's reopen automatic. So click on next, and it will ask you which will follow installation, custom, dark theme, and it will install some other stuff like SDK or emulator. virtual device, so it's depend on you. SDK is compulsory, AVD virtual manager is not compulsory, optional, but I will do. And click on next, and also it download that library from internet, and it's very large because I choose emulator, so it will take so many time. So be patient and be with me. Now our everything is download and install, so click on the finish button and close all the process automatic. Now open your Android Studio, it's your first UI interface, and it's all stuff what you want to develop.